Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge of the Daily Trader. It is June 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock. We are going to look at the stock from a technical analysis perspective, looking at the stock chart to try to find patterns and try to follow those patterns to make money. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Palantir, I am a little bit disappointed in Palantir today. I must say so. We closed at 24.17, down 21 cents at minus 0.86%. Post-market, the post-market numbers, I don't trust them now. So what has been happening? This resistance at 24.50 has been giving us a lot of problems. All of our indicators are just go. The stochastic is super high, the MACD is super high, the DMI is great too. So the only thing that is preventing us from really going upwards is this resistance that is really bugging us. Looking at it a little bit closer, the body of the candle was right flush on the 24.50. We cannot invent that. This 24.50 is real. Look at this. Today, 2 days ago, 3 days before that, flush at 24.50. So people are selling at 24.50 and people are not willing to buy over 24.50. So we have just broken outside of this support that we've been following for a while. So this is the support here, and Palantir has closed outside of that support. So so this means that the bull trend as we know it here is over. It does not mean that there won't be another bull trend. It does not mean that the stock is necessarily going down. It just means that the velocity that we had is no longer with us. So what can happen is that the stock can just decide to go sideways, or it can decide to go down. It could still decide to go up, but based on what I see here, the chances are there is less chance that the stock will keep going because it just caved in. So if we look back a little bit, so the stock has caved in to 24.50 in the past. So look at this here on April 1st and also on April 27th. We caved in and then went down and took a breather. So this is potentially what is happening. So if you want to take some profit, that's a perfectly good time to take some profit because we are no longer in this bull trend. So this is why I'm not telling you exactly what to do, because it depends on your situation. If you're super rich and want or accept that the stock goes down a little bit and then comes back up, then you can stay in the stock. Or if you want to preserve your nest egg, well, you can sell a little bit, or you can sell everything and then wait until there is a better signal to enter, either a bounce on a support. So the stock could go bouncing on here. That's a possibility. The stock can also bounce super down hard, and anything in between. This is what can happen, and the stock can also stay there until something else happens before it goes up. But basically there is a local downturn, but we don't know how long this downturn will last. But it's a downturn. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something else. So 930 was here. So 930 we broke outside of support a little bit, went quite high. We went as high as 2474, and then we broke 24.50 during the second hour, and we broke and we closed outside. Here too. So for 4 hours we were above 24.50, but then boom, boom, went down. So there's a intraday support here at around 23.92. Sorry about that. So there's a couple of supports just to watch if you want to watch it closely. I would say around here. So at 23.95, I see a support there, and there's a I just want to get rid of this. It's in my way. Is there another support that we can see? Yeah, there seems to be one here at around at around where we are now at 24.18. So at 24.18 we have a very local support, and there's another one at 23.92 before dropping to maybe 22.37, depending on when that drop happens. From an hourly perspective, the stochastic is pretty down, and the MACD has been down from an hourly perspective for a while. But basically, this break outside of the support is really telling us that things are not going as they were going. So there's a change. So you can decide if you want to sell part of your holdings or all of them, or hold on to them. It's your decision. So from a daily chart perspective, again, so stochastic is still super high because, you know, it's just one candle. So it's a candle that is not very big in terms of the body. The MACD is positive, the two lines are positive, and the DMI is positive. So from an indicator perspective, everything is going fine. It's just this bugging support that is holding us from reaching the stars. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Palantir and Tesla video every single day. If you subscribe, you will see them in your feed. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a Discord server. We have a Patreon account. And we also have a TradingView affiliated link, which can give you up to $30 if you subscribe to a paid plan. You get $30 and I get $30. So it's even Steven. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.